Okay guys, so our first step today when building this hyperextension bench is cutting our 2 feet. And we're going to be using this 45mm by 70mm dress pine, and we're going to need to cut 2 at 350mm. Following that, we can then start putting our centre section together. And we're going to be using this 30mm RHS steel. Now this steel is 1.7mm thick, and our first one needs to be cut at 600mm, and it needs to have a 45-degree angle at the bottom. Following that, we can then cut an upright to support this main rail. Now this upright needs to be 400mm and also have a 45-degree angle on the top, okay? Now after we've cut all that, we can then start putting it all together using some brackets, hot rivets and batten screws. Let's go do that now. As you can see guys, it's really starting to take shape now, and now what's needed is installing our adjustable rail and our padding. So for our rail, what we're going to be using is this 20mm RHS steel, and this is also 1.7mm thick. We need to cut a length at 600mm long, okay? And essentially what it's going to be doing is actually sliding inside our main rail like so, okay? After we've cut that, what we then need to do is drill a 6mm hole for our 5mm bolt 100mm down from the top of our main rail here, okay? After that, we can then drill a series of 6mm holes at 50mm increments on our adjustable rail here. Following that, we can then start working out our padding, okay? Now, underneath our padding needs to be actually quite sturdy, okay, just to support it. And I've chosen this 19mm thick board. Now this is 450mm wide and it's 1800mm long. And you're probably thinking, why have I got such a long board? And the reason being is that for the rest of the board, we're actually going to cut it up and use it for our footrest at the bottom here, okay? Now for our padding, I recommend a cushion that's actually quite thick, just to ensure it's nice and comfortable for when we're doing our back extensions, okay? I actually walked into Kmart and this panda cushion really took my eye, okay? It's nice and thick, and you know what? Who doesn't love pandas? Such a beautiful animal they are. Now after we've established our cushion, what we then need to do is actually grab a pencil and trace around it, then cut it out using a jigsaw. After that, we can install our panelling onto our adjustable rail using some Tek screws. And then we can stick our cushion on using some industrial double-sided tape. all that's needed is our feet support at the bottom here. And we're going to be cutting those out of that panelling that we used earlier. So we're going to need to cut two bits. So the first one needs to be at 350 by 350, and the second one needs to be at 450 by 350. And the reason for cutting the 450 bit is to ensure that our platform is supported at the bottom and to allow it to actually overhang to stabilise our feet when we're performing the hyperextension exercise, okay? Let's go finish her off. And there we have it, guys, we're all done for today. Now as you can see, I ended up putting a bit of 70 by 30mm timber on each side. Now this is just to brace it all together, and I also fixed it at the back here into the slab, just to solidify it that little bit more. Now thanks for watching today. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the ISO gym in the next video. Adios!